Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your POCO F8 Ultra. So first, what you guys need to do is remove the screen protector or case because it can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever your screen protector is misaligned, it's a poor quality one, or it's just not covering the entire screen and it's going off the edges, then it may cause your screen to create the ghost touches. Now, for the case, if it's covering even a tiny part of the screen and it's not stopping at the bezels, then this is the same situation here. What would happen is basically something would just click right here, for an example. So what you guys can do next is clean the screen to remove any debris, moisture and fingerprints by using the microfiber cloth. And all you have to do is swipe a couple of times. 3 times is enough. Now, what you guys can do next, as a last resort, is update your software to fix any touch glitches. So, go over to settings, click about phone, and click HyperOS right here. Now, no updates are available for me, but if you do have an update available, then make sure to do that, because it's very important to keep up with the latest software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.